Hello and welcome to Professional Assets Drone Pack, free version. This pack includes 4 physics scripted drone prefabs, 4 skin variations for each one, customizable input controls for desktop, mobile, gamepad, and OpenVR controllers, and it comes with a bonus physics playground scene to demo the drones in. Before we begin using the pack, we have to set up the drone's custom input accesses. To do this, right-click on the Assets folder found in the Project tab. Next, select Show in Explorer. Now navigate to Professional Assets, Drone Pack, Free, and drag the Input Manager file into your project settings folder. Windows will now ask if you want to replace this file. Now what this will do is overwrite any custom input access files in your project. If you have custom input access files that you do not want to overwrite, you can skip this step as we will address this later on in the video. However, if you are sure that you do not have any custom input access files that you need to keep, you can go ahead and click Replace. Now we can begin setting up drones. To do this, head to Professional Assets, Drone Pack Free, Prefabs, and drag any of these drone prefabs into your scene. Next, drag the drone camera prefab into your scene. And then position it behind your drone. If you follow these steps correctly and set up the drone's custom input accesses, then the drone should be ready to fly. Within the drone prefab, you'll find the PA drone axis input script, along with presets for desktop, gamepad, and OpenVR devices. If you followed the steps to override the input manager file earlier, then these presets should already work. However, if the gamepad preset is not responding after connecting a new controller, please restart Unity and try again. Selecting the custom preset will allow you to use your own custom input accesses. You can create a custom input access by heading to Edit, Project Settings, Input, duplicating one of the existing input accesses, and then modifying its values. Once you are finished, head back to your drone prefab, and then enter in the name of your new custom input access. Now I'll show you how to set up the drone's mobile controls. The joystick prefab can be found by navigating to Professional Assets, UI Pack, Prefabs, Joystick UI. This can then be dragged onto your canvas and positioned and scaled. The joysticks work similar to Unity's standard UI modules. They have 2 event systems, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. By dragging a drone prefab into one of these slots, you can modify its movement values. For example, after dragging my drone into the x-axis, I am able to modify its turn input. Also, when using the joysticks to pilot the drone, make sure to disable the drone's PA drone axis input script. The OpenVR preset uses custom input accesses that can be shared between both the Vive and the Oculus Rift controllers. Now I'm here in the VR version of the physics playground, holding this pad that lets me see the drone from its perspective. As you can see in this complete immersive experience, the drone's animated materials use single-pass rendering, so it still displays correctly in the VR headset. The drone uses real physics reacting with its environment, and the VR controls work the same as they would for an actual drone, so it feels like you're truly flying one outdoors. It's a surreal experience. Here I am by the cannon, flying my drone around the park. Be sure to get the full version of this pack so that you can unlock its full potential with features that include unlimited customization for your drones, full access to source code, faster performance, as well as the ability to use your own custom models as you can see in this video.